Today I'm going to show you a little repair for Hunter Douglas grass cloth blinds. I'm a big fan of these blinds, but I've had them for just over 2 years in 2 rooms. And on almost all of them, I've had rings come out. And when the rings come out of the back of Hunter Douglas blinds, they roll up and look terrible. There is no, to my knowledge, other video online that shows you a very easy repair for these. I'll go over and show you the blinds I'm talking about. So these are my Hunter Douglas blinds. And today I fixed both of these blinds because the rings had pulled out. And I will show you a couple of the issues. We're now looking at the back of the blinds I just showed you. And you can see how the rings are attached to the thread that holds the reeds in place. Now there's a few problems with this. One is that because the thread is actually used as part of the weaving to hold the weave set, the rings actually pull on the threads and they can distort the blinds a bit. So I don't think that's a great way to attach the rings. But secondly, if you look at these rings, a lot of them have a gap which allows the ring to pull away from either the blind or the pull cord. I think Hunter Douglas should rethink that. This one is pretty tight, but there are others where it's come out because of that. So basically, I'll show you a repaired ring here. And rather than just try and rethread it, because they kept coming out, I bought some Kevlar thread and a curved needle. And it's far easier to sew thread through the weave thread than try and get that metal ring, which is rather thick, through it without damaging it. I'll go over here too, show you how wide this one was. One of these pulled out because of the gap. Well, I closed this one up too. So you see that has a gap? I tried to close that down a bit, but I tied the thread tight, so I don't think it's going to pull out. But when you're doing your repairs, make sure you eliminate that gap, because that can be part of the problem. But you see, I just do a very simple knot around the ring and back into the weave, and it works great. So that was a 5-minute repair. This one took a little longer because I actually took it down, unscrewed the pulley, and laid it out on the kitchen counter. It was far more difficult than it needed to be. What I strongly recommend is you just go in, you identify where the ring is misplaced, you pull the blind away, and you get behind there, and you sew from the back. It's a lot easier than taking the blind down, and it's, like I said, per ring, a 3 to 5 minute repair. So these are the tools I use to repair the grass cloth blinds. The thread here is Kevlar thread. I had Kevlar thread available to me because I use it in my business. It won't tear, it won't break. It's a little bit more difficult to cut, but with a sharp scissors you can cut it. And this is just a pack of sewing needles that I ordered online. Looks like they may be from China, but it doesn't really matter. They were about $6, and the one I used was I think it's like a 2-inch curved needle, which is really about the perfect size. The smaller one would work fine too. I just used this one because the eye on that needle was a little bit bigger. So what I recommend is you find some thread that's going to hold up. You could probably also use fishing line. I think I was going to use that originally. I ordered some other thread, which I thought would match the blind better, and this does match some of my blinds better, and it's quite strong. It's some sort of metallic thread. Also got it on Amazon for a few dollars, but I just use this black Kevlar thread. No one will ever see it. It'll be strong, and this curved sewing needle. So I'll see if I can film my repair on my last blind. I'm almost done. Okay, so now we're gonna get this needle ready for that last repair. And here you can see I have just some Kevlar sewing thread. Actually, you can't see it. It's kind of hard to see. I'm gonna thread the needle which should be relatively straightforward on this big eye needle. So that was not too difficult. I'm not going to need too much because this is my last repair. So I'm just going to give myself a couple inches. It allows you to do the knot a little easier. You can see that this is, if you pull it tight, the Kevlar thread will break easy enough. So that's our curved needle. We're going to go over to the blind now and just sew it up. So we're on to the last repair. That's how the blinds are supposed to look, and when they're sewn properly and the rings are in the right place, they're beautiful, perfect folds. Nicer actually than the ones in the other room, which are a little sloppier. I like that really neat, tight look, and that just means that you go over here, and this I think we can make look like that other one, but it certainly doesn't right now, and I'll show you what happens as I roll it up. So this is going to irritate many of you that have these blinds at some point or another. And you think the problem's over there on the right, but the problem actually is over here on the left, where the first ring has actually pulled out. And we go back here, and you can see this is down here, and there's no ring to pull that section up. So it's hard to see it from this angle. I'm gonna put it back down, and then it'll be quite clear where that ring's supposed to go. So now it's fully collapsed. We go back, we look behind, and we see this is not doing its job. It's supposed to be attached right down. Where is it? Right down here, and it's pulled out. So I'm just going to use some sewing thread, which I showed you a minute ago, and I'm going to reattach that, and then we'll take a look at it once it. So here we are again. We're behind the blind that needs the repair, and I'm just going to take this curved sewing needle, and I'm going to put it right behind the area where this ring's supposed to go. Now, I said before, I don't really like the design because I'm going to put this into threads that are quite loose. And I think there's probably a better way for Hunter Douglas to design these, but we're going to just go with the way it's been done. This is a bigger blind than the ones in the other room, so I think this will hold up all right. So that's how easy it was to get that needle behind that thread. I can tell you, if you're just trying to do the metal ring and get that back in behind the thread, it'll drive you crazy. That's why I actually was going to send these back to Hunter Douglas, and then taking them down was not my, and putting up paper blinds for a few weeks was not a good idea for me. So you can see like what happened just there, I just threaded it and it came through that gap in the metal. So again, I told you, I don't like how these rings have a gap in them. I think it should be a closed ring. There's no reason why they can't come up with a metal ring that doesn't have that gap, because that is another reason why that's why this one actually popped out. The thread didn't break on this one. This one just came through that gap. Now let's see if that happens again. If it does, I'm going to go get pliers and close the gap, but I'm hoping I can do this without it going through and get it tight enough where it will never happen again. Right now I'm on 2 parts of that ring. I don't really like where, yeah, see, it's coming off again. It's gonna drive me crazy. Come on. Sometimes there's trouble. Shouldn't be this hard. But again, this is gonna be done in a minute instead of waiting weeks to send it back. Okay. So then just gonna knot it now, and we're done. That's it. I'm gonna go get my scissors. I'll cut the thread. The ring is tight, so that's the way it looks now. I'm gonna just go and clip that, and then I'll roll it up and show you how this repair is done. And that took about 5 minutes. Okay, I just grabbed my scissors. I cut the ring. I cut the Kevlar thread, and we're ready to see if it did what it was supposed to do. This is the repaired blind. Let's see if we get a nice, tight roll. looking pretty good so far. And there you have it. We've repaired the Hunter Douglas wine. All in about 5 minutes. That's the other one. Looks beautiful. And no more hassle. That's it. Hope that helps. Good luck with your repair.